Okay, hello everyone. So in previous video, I discussed how do I program the sign in page. So in this video, let's see how do I able to manage this thing, this remember me button work. So without further ado, let's get to work. So you can see if I come here, like if I already have an account, then I click sign in. Then you can see this email and password is automatically filled for me. So how I did that is I use PHP keys. So you can see it have genius this kind of email. So if I let's if I remove this thing like that, and if I go to this thing, I have extension called cookie editor. So you can see my cookies here, and then I will delete everything. Okay, now if I refresh the page, you can see if I go to my sign in page again, you can see it's nothing there. So if I type something new, let's see, yeah, like that, and the password, okay, I think it's 1 2 3 4 5 6. And if I click remember me, and it should do what it should do is that if you just remember me, it should store your username and password and store in cookies for a year. You can see my code here is for a year. So if I press sign in, okay, it's there in username and password. Okay, let's check my let me check my database. Yeah, yeah. I typed my password wrong, so it's called like that 1 2 3. And if I click remember me, okay, you can see it's coming to our home screen. And if I go back to my my original page index.php, you can see if I click refresh my page, you can see I'm refreshing my page. And whenever I click already have an account, you can see it's there. I didn't even type email or password, you can see it's there. So it means that remember me button is working. And if you go here and find your cookies, you can see it's here. The cookies has been saved successfully. Okay, email and password. So let's see how I did this with PHP in the backend. So before that, before loading, okay, let me hide this. And there's, you can see this remember me checkbox. It's bootstrap classes. So I have ID for the input called remember me, and I have set default value to be 1, and I have some text remember me like that. So that's it. So this script.js, my JS site. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we have the sign in function right here. You can see sign in function, this thing. Okay, if I go to sign in function, and you can see my remember me has been taken by has been catched by its ID and stored in a variable called remember me. And I have a form here, and I have added my remember me, the value of remember me, it's been checked. If it is being checked, the value is going to be added to my form. It's going to have a name and key value here. So it's key called rm. And I have the request here, it's HTTP request. So on ready function, you can see it's the function is there. So if it is successful, you can see it's going for the home.php page. And okay, the next thing is pretty simple. It's going to go for the sign in process.php by using ajax, and it will send the form. Okay, that's it. So you can see it's going for the sign-in.php one. So let's go here, and you can see it, we have some validation we talked about in the previous video. So yeah, there we are going to talk about now. So if there's a data in our database, and if it is success, you can see I have been fetch an sock and restored the value to the d variable. And if it is you can see it's my remember me. I have been taken my remember me to here using post method. If remember me is true, it means if is that button checked, I'm going to set cookies. Here the magic goes. So I'm going to restore my email and then my password in the cookie section. So I have a name called email, and the value is going to be this $email, this one right here. And then time, I have set a time 6 by 6 60 by 60 by 24 by 365. Yeah, I mean for a year. And then password is also the same. So it's going to trigger this if it is remember me button is pressed. And else I have set a -1 for that. It means there's no storing cookies. So it is pretty simple here. So if this thing is going to this thing fails, this initial username and password message will be echoed. So that's it, guys. I think you understand what I did mention. So thank you.